you know, the city dropped the ball on making sure that people were notified of the potential impact of this flood. Nobody had any clue. People were going to work in the morning.
We actually spent the night at a hotel last night because at one point there was water coming up, obviously into the kitchen and the living room here, and there was the threat of water coming from both sides for our house. It's been a trying couple of days just to kind of scramble to save what we can.
Right, we don't know what to do. Right, even you go to a shelter, but how long, right?
Yeah.
So you have to go work, right? Take the kid to go to school, right?
Right.